my YouTube channel, Crypto Billionaire. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can earn free Litecoin in your Faucet Pay account, then directly to your Trustwallet account. So guys, if you are watching this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell so whenever we upload nice content like this, you're going to be notified on that. So guys, the name of the site which I'm going to be showing you today is called trustwwllet.com. So guys, I'm going to be leaving the link to this site in the description box below. So when you click on the link below, you're going to be taken over to this site which is over here. Now to register, when you scroll down, you're going to click on register, and when you click on register, you're going to fill in the required information, your name, your username, your email, and the rest of that. So when your account is successfully created, all you have to do is to log in on this site, which I already have mine on. Now you verify that you are human. Now click images containing truck. We're going to be clicking them one after another. Then verify. So guys, when you have verified on this, when you scroll down, you click on login. So guys, as you can see here, this is the amount of coins I've earned in a couple of minutes. So to earn on this site, guys, all you have to do is click on this which is over here. When you click on it, go ahead and click on earning. And when you click on earning, you're going to be seeing a whole lot of ways in which you can earn on this site, as you can see here. So you click on Faucet, you can click on any of them. When you click on Faucet, it's going to be taking you to this page over here. As you can see here, every 3 minutes you come over here and claim 50 tokens every 3 minutes. Now when you scroll down, all you have to do is to verify you are human. Click on images containing aeroplane and verify. Now you scroll down and impute all these accordingly: ants, elephants, and cats. Now you come over and click on claim, which is over here. As you can see, guys, we have been rewarded with 50 tokens. Click on OK. Now to continue earning, when you click on this and you go over here, visit short links. So when you click on PTC, all you have to do is you visit the site one after another. As you can see here, when you visit this for 15 seconds, you get 30 tokens. You see them over here. As you can see them, I'm going to be doing one of them now. When you click on go, you're going to be redirected to another part, and you can see here it's already counting. I'm going to wait for 15 seconds. And as you can see here, verify that you are human. Now after car, click on images containing car. Then click on verify, which is over here. Then also verify. Now you go back to your dashboard, and as you can see here, you'll be given 30 tokens. So guys, this is how you can earn on this. As you can see here, there are so many of them in which you can do. So guys, to withdraw on this from this site, all you have to do is when you click on these dots over here, go ahead and click on withdraw, and you scroll down. As you can see here, select payment method. Use any Use another withdrawal method if the method you choose has insufficient balance. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw your Litecoin. So you click on Litecoin, which is over here, then you scroll down. As you can see, minimum withdrawal is 0 tokens. So you scroll down and verify you are human. Images with the car. Then you scroll down again and click on withdraw. Sorry, before you place your withdrawal, you, as you can see here, your faucet pay, you add your email address, which is over there, and after clicking your Litecoin to withdraw, then you input the email address in which you use in your faucet pay. You are going to be doing now. Now after you input your email address in which you use in creating your faucet pay, you go ahead and click on your withdraw. As you can see here, this has been sent directly to our faucet pay account. As you can see here, our balance now is 0. So guys, this is how you can earn. And when you're on your dashboard, when you scroll down, you can also claim daily bonus. As you can see here, when you click on claim, you're going to be given 30. Guys, this is daily bonus. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like this video, click on the notification bell and subscribe to this channel, so whenever we upload nice content like this, you are going to be updated on that. Thanks for watching.